Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some delicious baked macaroni and cheese. I have my pot of water here and I'm just going to start by adding a good amount of salt to it. About 1 tablespoon. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to add 1 pack of macaroni elbows, and this part is pretty easy. All you need to do is to just follow the instructions on the package. I'm going to leave it to boil until al dente while I work on the cheese sauce. To get started on our sauce, I'm going to start by making a roux, which is just butter and flour, which will be used to thicken our sauce. I've added half stick of unsalted butter, and here's the twist. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and I'm going to let the butter melt with this and saute for around 30 seconds. This helps to release the flavor, which we Caribbean people refer to as burning the curry. I know this might seem a little bit strange, but remember that curry is actually a spice. It can be used to add flavor as well. It's not just used for making curry dishes. That said, it really brings out the flavor of the cheese and also adds a beautiful golden color. Next, I'm going to add some flour and saute for half a minute as well. 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour depending on how thick you want your sauce. I added 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to add 1 entire can of evaporated milk and 1 cup of cow's milk. I'm going to flavor the sauce with some garlic powder and onion powder and some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to add some of my green seasoning as well. This is optional, you don't have to add it. For those who don't know, the green seasoning is a blend of fresh herbs and spices. I'll link the videos that I have here on the channel. Next, I'm going to add my freshly grated cheese. Now, you can do your 5 cheese blend, your 10 cheese blend, whatever different types of cheese or however much cheese as you like. I just stick to sharp cheddar and mozzarella. These two work well for me, and to be honest, cheese is very expensive where I live. So that's about 2 cups of mozzarella and 1 cup of cheddar that I just added to the sauce. I'm going to mix that in well, and at this point you can taste your sauce and adjust according to your preference. I'm going to add my salt, which I usually add last because the cheese already has salt in it and I don't want it to be too salty. Salt according to your taste. I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, which is enough for me. Then in goes my macaroni. This fits perfectly into an 8x9 baking dish. You can easily double the ingredients if you want a bigger one. I'm going to pour half, sprinkle on some cheese, then the rest, and finish with some more cheese. Right before I place it in the oven, I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of parsley for color, and I'm going to bake this in my preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. I'm going to broil this for literally a minute before I take it out of the oven. If you want yours a little bit more dark, or if you want a bit more color on it, you can give it probably another minute or so. Just make sure that you keep a close eye on it. And here we have our delicious baked macaroni and cheese with the perfect amount of cheese. So delicious. Check out this pineapple glazed ham as well as this baked chicken recipe, which will go perfect with this mac and cheese. Please help the channel by hitting the like button, share and subscribe. Follow me on my other social media, links are in the description as well as the recipe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.